compressor. See, I'd rather do this, all this, than taking out some coolant, man. Fuck that. Ain't gotta bleed it. Fuck that. Alright. Now let's take the compressor. It should drop to the floor. Okay. Boom. See, if I had two hands, it would be much better. Watch out for the radiator. It's not like you could, if you mess up the radiator, you could just buy a radiator. Nah, it comes with the condenser and the radiator. Shit's bread. 500 plus just for that. Okay. Should drop. See? On the floor. Look. See that? Boom, boom. Check for the frame. Wiggle it. You can wiggle it out. See? Put it on the floor. There you go. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, this is what I always do. See if both of the parts match the old one. So I'll take this. Yeah, I got this from the junkyard. It's like $100. I'm like, fuck it. Better than 600. Yeah, so they both match. Boom, stand them up the same way. See? Connect this. Clutch wires. Screw. Right there. Mine came off, remember? Had to take mine off. Yeah. Make sure this is good. Make sure the bearing was good on it. See? Quiet. Good. And that's it. Just put this shit back in. Alright, take the old one. Same way we dropped it. Put it right there. Grab it with your hand. Push it up. Not push it up, bring it up. Bring it up. Oh shit. Don't drop it. Don't drop it like me. Put it in here. Boom, boom. Spin it around. Spin it around. Spin it around. Spin that shit around. Okay. Once you put your 3 bolts, well, bolt it up. There's 3 bolts, 12s, 1, 2, 3, one in the back. You now let's put the fan back on there. Don't want to miss that. Let's put the fan back. Same way you took it out on the angle. Put it in there. Just like this. Boom. Just put it down first. Like this. And tilt it up. Like so. This thing gonna be in your way. You're gonna have to like play with this. Put to the side so it can go down. Okay, like this. Boom. Now let's put it together. Boom. Make sure you go inside those holes. Line up over here. Put your 10. 10 over here. 10 over here. Bring out the big dog over here. You don't really need this long shit, but it's here. The other side. Okay, boom. Now let's connect the wires over here. Impact sensor. Under here. Boom. Okay. This goes here. With the bolts. 2 bolts. Okay, put your connector. Boom. Put these where they're supposed to be. That goes here. That goes over here. Well, back there. Boom. This goes over here. I'm gonna zip tie this over here. Zip tie that one. zip tie those. Alright, once done doing that, let's put the train line on the fan. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Alright, just like that. If you get the bottom over here, put this here. Boom. Oh, what's up here? Bugging. Up here. Okay. It's good. Let's go back up. Now, the connectors. Let's put the connectors on. Right here. You don't have to do it now, but I want to do it now. Let's put these right here. This is for the AC compressor. Let's put the belt around everything first. All you gotta do is put it around the AC because that's the only one we took off. The AC belt. Well, not the AC belt, but you know, the belt for the AC compressor. Put that in there. Okay. Over this one. Idle pulley. And make sure everything is good. Inspect. Everything is aligned. And boom. Take out the nail. I mean the bolt that's in there. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Boom. There you go. All straight. Oh yeah, don't forget this line that was back here. Put this back. Back there. Back there. And boom. That goes over there. Let's put this right here. Like this. That there. Boom. Washer. I put some anti-seize on there, so it's easier. It's a little rusty, you know. Don't want it to break. Let's put the back one. Take off the bolts first. Take off the freaking bolts. Boom. Put this on there. Okay. Now, if your hand can fit back there, split this here. Okay, get your extendo, 10 on it. There you go. Let's get in there. Okay, done deal. Let's tighten this one. This one we did with a wrench. Can't get a socket in there, too tight. Okay, boom. Now let's put the intake back on there. Once you put this back together, let's put the reservoir back for the coolant. Go in there. You gotta put this tool right here, between here, so it don't go flying in here, you know what I'm saying? So let's do that. So reach in there, right there. I don't know if you can see my hand. Right here, take the hose, right here, boom. Okay, let's put these 2 tins right here. Let's put this hose on. Put that hose, boom, 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 boom. Okay, and make sure that bottom wire we took off the AC compressor, you zip tie that. I just did mine. don't forget to do yours. Like I said, don't forget to recharge your AC. Start it, see if it's cold, hold pressure. And now it's it, how to do the AC compressor on a 2011 Infiniti G37 Sedan. If you have any questions, comment below. On your Instagram, Drew's Mechanics. And don't forget to give me a like. I helped you out. And subscribe. Later.